Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Wednesday, October 7th, 2020. Please join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and for a moment of silence. Stand, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today we have Wellness Wednesday, and today's focus is going to be on washing your hands. We want to keep everyone safe and well, so we are going to wash our hands as often as possible. Remember, after you use the restroom, before you eat, after you've touched things, make sure you are washing your hands really well. One thing you can try is to sing the happy birthday song while you're washing your hands to know that you've washed them long enough. And always make sure to use soap. Today's breakfast, we have a breakfast sandwich, fruit, juice, and milk. And for lunch, we have a hot dog with fries. For tomorrow's breakfast and lunch, we have ham and cheese croissant with jelly and jam, fruit, juice, and milk. Tomorrow's lunch, we have pulled pork, patty on bun, green beans, fruit, juice, and milk. We have some birthdays to celebrate today. Nyla Wheat and Madison Adams are our two birthdays today. Happy birthday! For our announcements today, teachers, please review our new arrival and dismissal procedures to students. Remember, we have the two early buses that will dismiss early, and then we have the three buses that will come a little bit later, and the coaches will pick those up from the hallway. Students, make sure you are practicing working on your new car line numbers so that when those car line numbers are called, you will know which number is yours and you will know when to get up and dismiss from your classroom. You and your brothers and sisters will be all called together for one number. So it's super important that you know what your number is. Students, just like we were talking about a second ago for Wellness Wednesday, make sure that you are keeping yourself and your friends safe and well. We're going to wear our mask, cough and sneeze in our elbow, and we're going to wash our hands. That's all for today's news. I hope you have a wonderful Wednesday.